Ooh. Bubbles are so relaxing. I could do a face mask, get a roll of bubbles, and just pop my bubbles and be so relaxed. Literally, this is a prize for me when I get bubbles. Hey beauties, it's me, Evie, and it is Ipsy / BoxyCharm time again. I'm so excited to bring it to you because we are in the month of November, an Ipsy box, and I am excited to jump in it. This is BoxyCharm. You get 5 full-size beauty items, whether it's makeup, skincare, sometimes tools. Members get to choose their 3 products every month. Get up to $200 in this box, and it's $28 a month. That's for Boxy. So let's just open it. I didn't dig around too much. I just took out the paper they sent. This is Destin. I couldn't read it there for a second. But I'm not a fan of these, like, weird, hard to read fonts. Okay, so there's the box. It has the colors on the back. But here is the packaging. Unlocked. Oh my gosh. It has a little lock feature. That's so cool. Haven't seen that before. So then you open it up and there's your colors. I'm really interested in these colors. I love that this is a black amongst such light colors with glitter. There's a look that I already know I want to do. I'm excited about that. This is from Lamar Cosmetics. We're gonna lock it back. There we go. That is awesome. So it has 10 colors. It's vegan, cruelty free. Next we have Hydro Blue Petal Serum Toner. Love a good toner. And this one, you wash your face, take a subtle amount to the whole face, and gently absorb it into your face. And they say it's like toner, serum, and a mask. La Palette Beauty is where this is from. Ooh. Oh, well, that's just pretty. It has petals in it. Can you see that? Oh, how pretty. I love a pretty bottle. That's awesome. I'm a sucker for pretty bottles. Y'all know that. Next thing we have is from Lovecraft and Beauty. It's lip liner and brush. And I can't tell if that's like aliens or like zombie sharks, or I don't know what that little... Oh, it's all in one thing. Okay, so there's the brush. And there's the lip liner. I like that it's on an angle like a lot of lid liners are now. I like that. That's going to be fun to use. Next we have Girl Lactic Lash Play Duo Mascara. The packaging is so pretty on that. Detailing. So this is for detailing. Oh, look at that tiny brush. That's so cute. And this is for lengthening. Nice. I like that a lot. It's a very pretty container as well. And then the last thing is from Drunk Elephant. I love getting products from Drunk Elephant because it is heck of expensive, but the products are so worth it. This is a Mega Moisturizing Masker, Rehab and Repair, and in silky amino acids and sunflower fatty acids. You just wash your hair as you normally do, and after work it into your hair and wait for 1 to 3 minutes, and then you rinse it well. And once in a week or so, you can use it as a mask and put it on for 20 to 30 minutes before you rinse it. So let's see if it has a smell. I don't think it has a smell, but if it does have a smell, it smells good. But like, I'm wearing new perfume and I don't know if it's me or if it's some products. So that is our box. So there you go. There is our 5 full-size items worth up to $200 added together, retail, that you get for $28 a month. And if you're a member, you get to choose 3 full-size items. So don't forget about that. You get to choose. And that's a big thing, because you may love something and want to get something that you already use and they have it available. So I really love that new feature. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing, and I hope that you can go down in the description and use my code and go get your BoxyCharm. Don't wait. It's Christmas. It's a great Christmas present to give somebody, a yearly subscription to BoxyCharm. And just think of how much love you're giving them. Every month they'll have to think about you. So I say it's the gift that keeps giving. I'll see you next month. I hope that you have a wonderful winter holiday. And remember, you are loved. Like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you're thinking. And hit that bell for up-to-dateness on what's going on here.